Many MetaQuest users experience connection problems when trying to use Steam Link to stream PC VR games. This section covers the most common connection issues and their solutions. Steam Link connection issues affect all MetaQuest models: Quest 2, Quest 3, and Quest Pro. The symptoms are typically the same across all devices. The most common symptoms include the app showing no computers found, Steam Link failing to detect your PC, or connections that drop frequently during use. Now let's go through the systematic troubleshooting steps to resolve these connection issues. First, verify your network setup. Both your PC and Quest must be on the same network subnet, connected via 5 GHz Wi-Fi with a minimum link speed of 866 megabits per second. For optimal stability, connect your PC to the router using an Ethernet cable. This wired connection eliminates Wi-Fi interference and provides consistent bandwidth for streaming. Windows Firewall often blocks Steam Link connections. Temporarily disable it to test if this resolves the issue. Remember to re-enable the firewall after testing for security. Following this checklist should resolve most Steam Link connection issues. These steps address the fundamental network and security requirements for successful PC to Quest streaming. If connection issues persist after these steps, the problem may be related to performance or audio settings, which will be covered in the next section. Once your Steam Link connection is established, you may encounter performance issues like stuttering, frame drops, or poor visual quality that can ruin your VR experience. The first solution is adjusting your Steam Link bitrate settings. For Quest 3 users, the recommended bitrate is between 50 to 100 megabits per second for optimal performance. Next, enable hardware decoding in your Quest settings and ensure video streaming is optimized. This reduces the processing load on your headset CPU. Always keep your GPU drivers updated to the latest version. Outdated drivers are a common cause of streaming performance issues and compatibility problems. Now let's address audio problems. Audio desynchronization and complete audio loss are common issues that can be resolved through proper configuration. To fix audio issues, first check your Steam VR audio settings. Make sure the audio output device is properly configured and audio mirroring is enabled if needed. If audio problems persist, you can switch the audio output device in Steam VR settings or use dedicated audio streaming applications as a backup solution.